What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Miata build video. Today we got something that I think is a super simple but probably going to be one of my favorite mods. We have picked up an NB Nardi 3-spoke steering wheel, and we are going to be retrofitting it into the Miata. So let's hop to taking that wheel out. Alright, so we're about to get this one out, and we're taking it out because this one has just sat in the sun or something, and honestly it's crusty and disgusting. I don't mind the design of the steering wheel necessarily. I do like the 3-spoke more because it's a lot like the one that's in the Vibe, but mainly I just want to get this nasty wheel off. So we're gonna have to pull this off and do some wiring to get the new one to fit, and then do a little bit of drilling. But to start off, to take this off, there's 3 10mm bolts back here that'll allow the airbag to come out. We unplug the airbag and then we can disassemble the wheel and actually take it off. Alright guys, so the old steering wheel is now out. One of the first modifications we're going to have to do to the NB wheel is the NA clock spring has these little notches to make sure that the wheel is always at top dead center when the wheels are straight. So we have to drill a little bit into those, not very far, they're not very deep, it's more just for alignment. But anyway, so we gotta drill those out of the back of the NB wheel, and then we have to modify the connector plugs off of both the airbag and the horn button, which are super straightforward. So let's get all this in the garage and get working on that.
Take it all back, hate the things that you said, cause I wish you didn't mean it. I'm under attack, running far, far away, and I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep, and let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night. Confession I shouldn't have spoke, cause you didn't feel the same way about me, and it's eating me alive all of the time. So I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep, and let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night.
Alright guys, so the new wheel is installed. I gotta tell you, I love this. I understand why everybody wants to swap these wheels in. It's still nice and clean. I'll probably eventually end up like doing some sort of stitch over top, either over top of what's here since it's fairly in good shape, or in fairly good shape, or actually cut the seam off of this, add some foam and do a new thing, just because it does have its little imperfections. But either way, it still leaks nicer than the wheel was in here. The horn still works, so that's good. It's all in there, bolted up, and honestly, I just love this way better. It actually updates the look of the interior, in my opinion. Like, this makes it look a lot newer, and I like the grip of this more. You can really have your hand here, and this is like the #1 way I drive, but I am super happy. Here, get you guys a more full interior shot. I'm super happy with the way it turned out. So there you have it, guys. That is how you install an NB Miata steering wheel in your NA. In the video, when you saw me drilling the back of it, I did not punch a little like guide spot for it, nor did I drill a pilot hole. I should have. It walked a little bit, but I don't think it'll end up affecting it at all. The steering wheel still feels very good. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.